Hi fellow battery enthusiasts, welcome back to the Tenergy channel. Today we're taking a break from talking about batteries and focusing on the art of organizing them. It's important to store batteries properly for their longevity. Just keeping them organized can reduce unnecessary shorting of the batteries, which can be caused by the positive and negative ends touching other metal objects. So, buckle up as we jump into some frequently asked questions about Tenergy's battery organizer case. Let's get started. What is the Tenergy battery organizer case made out of? This case is made of PET material, which provides durability and protection for the case. And you don't have to worry about it breaking, unlike plastic cases. The battery holder inside the case is made out of EVA, a soft and flexible foam material that securely holds the batteries in place. It's important to note that the case is not fireproof, so please keep it away from direct exposure to flames or extreme heat sources. Is the Tenergy battery organizer water resistant? No, this case is not water resistant. This means it may get damaged if it comes in contact with water or any other liquids. So keep it away from water to protect the batteries and the case. How many batteries can the organizer hold? This battery case organizer can store a total of 60 batteries of different sizes. It has separate compartments for 24 AA batteries, 24 AAA batteries, 4 C-size batteries, 4 D-size batteries, and 4 9-volt batteries. There are also 4 extra pockets for loose items like batteries in shrink wrap or button cells and hanger cards. This makes it a practical choice for most households as it can store batteries commonly used in everyday devices. Keeping your battery in this organizer can help you stay tidy and easily find the right batteries when you need it. Can the organizer hold 18650 batteries? This organizer does not allocate space for 18650 size batteries, but you can use the extra pockets if you want to keep them in there. Just make sure to put them in the battery container or cover the positive and negative ends with tape to keep them from touching other batteries or other metal objects. What is the size and weight of the battery organizer case? The case measures 8.3 inches in length, 6.3 inches in width, and 3.5 inches in height, and it weighs about 0.4 pounds. The compact size and lightweight design makes it easy to fit in a drawer or toolbox, ensuring portability and convenience. Can the case be hung or mounted for easy access? The case comes with a handle, making it easy to carry around. While you cannot mount it on a wall, you can hang it using the handle. However, we don't advise hanging it in high places to avoid the risk of it falling. Instead, it's better to place it in a stable surface like a drawer or a shelf. The handle is designed to help you grab it and take the case with you whenever you need it. Can the case be used to store other small electronic accessories beside batteries? Yes, you can use the case to store other small electronics accessories beside batteries. The main compartments are for batteries only, but there are 4 small pockets that provide extra space for additional stuff. So if you want to keep items like charging cables or small gadgets, feel free to use the pockets for that purpose. Is the battery tester battery powered? No, the battery tester doesn't need its own batteries to work. Instead, it uses the power of the batteries you're testing to check the charge level. So when you put the battery into the tester, it uses the battery's energy to tell you how much charge is left. That way you don't need to worry about replacing the battery inside the tester itself. What battery chemistries and sizes can the tester measure? The battery tester can check how much charge an alkaline, nickel metal hydride, and nickel cadmium batteries have in sizes like AA, AAA, C, and D. For 9-volt batteries, the tester can measure an alkaline, nickel metal hydride, and lithium-based 9-volt types, because they all have similar voltage of about 9 volts. The tester can also tell you about the power level of alkaline button cell batteries. However, it won't work with other types of lithium-based batteries since they have a different voltage. Also, remember that even when a rechargeable nickel metal hydride or nickel cadmium battery is fully charged, it might show less power than a new alkaline battery. This is normal because a new alkaline battery usually has a higher voltage than a fully charged nickel metal hydride or nickel cadmium battery. Can the battery tester detect faulty or damaged batteries? No, this battery tester can only measure the charge level of the batteries based on their voltage. If a battery is fully charged or damaged, it might have a low voltage reading. But a low charge reading on the tester doesn't always mean the battery is bad. For rechargeable batteries, a low charge reading just means they need to be recharged. If you think a battery might be defective, look at it carefully for any signs of leakage, swelling, or other abnormalities, and recycle if needed. How do I test a button battery? To test a button battery, follow these steps. Place the negative end of the button battery facing this direction on the tester. Slide the tester's handle to make contact with the positive end of the button battery. To check how much charge is left, just look at the power level bar specifically for button batteries located at the bottom here. Keep in mind that this tester can only test alkaline button cell batteries and not lithium button batteries. And there you have it. That wraps up today's video on Tenergy's battery organizer case. We hope you've answered your questions, but if you got more, don't hesitate to share them in the comments section below. We're always here to assist. Keep those battery organized and stay tuned for our next video. See you soon.